I grabbed these from Dollar General. They are these metal wreath bases in the shape of a star, and I got them for $1. I took 2 of them, and I started with my Shortcuts Krylon Gold spray paint. And whenever you're using the spray paint, you should really be wearing a mask, and it is best to spray outdoors. I covered the front of each star, and then I allowed those to dry. I set them aside, and I took this 12-inch floral craft ring. You can get these right from Michael's. And I took my Wise Owl Snow Owl paint, and I just gave the ring a couple coats until it was fully covered. And then I set that aside to dry. And now once everything was dry, I took some Canadian pine stems. You get them from Hobby Lobby. It's a 20-piece for $2.99, and then you get them 50% off because they are considered Christmas. And I just took a pine stem and I just wrapped it around my ring. And I repeated that until I had the entire ring covered with the pine stems. And what's nice about the pine stems is there's a wire on the inside, so they are easy to work with. And once I had that around, I don't feel like it needed the hot glue, but I just took some hot glue and I just glued down the ends where the pine stem had started or finished. Now I took my star frames and I also spray painted the inside of them. And I have 2 of these artificial hollyberry and pinecone sprays that I got from Hobby Lobby. They were 99 cents each, and then you get the 50% off. And I'm just taking my metal shears and I'm just cutting the long stem, and I'm just making it short. And I'm going to take some green floral wire and just wrap it around and place the hollyberry and pine cone on the inside of the star and just wrap it around the frame to hold it in place. And you can cut the stem as short as you need to. And then I did the same thing with the second bundle. We're going to place it right on the inside of the star as well. And then use some of the green floral wire to hold it in place. Next, I took these red velvet ball picks I got from Hobby Lobby as well. I got these for $2.50. And I just picked the balls off the top of each stem. And they had 2 different sizes, a small and a large. And I just took 2 of the large and laid them on the inside of the star. And then I put the second star frame on top of the first one that we just added all of the artificial pine cones and berries in. And I'm just taking some green floral wire and attaching the 2 frames on top of each other. And then I'm just going to cut the wire short. I have some jute here, and I'm going to tie it at the top of my wreath ring and string it through the top of the star and just have it hang from the center. And then I took more jute and I did the same thing at the bottom 2 points of the star. So I'm going to take some jute and tie it at the 2 points and then attach it to the bottom of the wreath ring so that the star is kind of floating in the center but held there by the jute. And once you have it in the center, you can cut your jute short. And then I just took another Canadian pine stem, wrapped it around the top, and that is my hanger. And I thought this would look really pretty if you kind of hang it off of your porch, if you have a hook that you can hang it from. And it would just also look nice on your door or on a wall. Guys, I appreciate you watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out some other tutorials over on our webpage as well. Have a great day.